How to design brochures in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. On the home page, click the Create a Design button with the plus icon. In the search bar, type brochure and select your preferred format such as landscape, bifold, Z-fold or others. Once selected, Canva will open the design canvas and display a wide variety of professionally designed brochure templates on the left panel. You can browse by category, style or theme. If you want complete creative control, you can also start with the blank brochure design. After choosing a template, it will open in the Canva editor. Here you can fully customize your brochure, edit the text, change font, adjust colors and replace placeholder content with your own details. On the left-hand panel, you will also find elements, photos, icons, chart and text to enhance your design. You can upload your own images, business logos or graphics to keep your brochure aligned with your brand identity. For a professional look, organize your content clearly. Use headings, bullet points and visuals to make your brochure both informative and eye-catching. Keep a good balance between text and visuals so it's easy to read and visually appealing. Once you are happy with the design, click Share to collaborate online or download your brochure as a PDF for print, PNG or JPG for digital use. Now you know how to design brochures in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.